Today, I am excited to introduce you to Abhee Pride, one of the most luxurious and affordable apartments situated in the vibrant city of South Bangalore. Hi, I am Abhee and welcome back to our DD family. Abhee Pride is located in Bangalore, which is conveniently close to Silk Board, Electronic City, Nice Road and Chandapura Road. This remarkable project spans across 1.25 acres and possession will begin in 2024. It offers a variety of 2 and 3 BHK configurations designed to suit your needs, all within an affordable price range. When we talk about pride, it's not just about having your own space. It's about owning a premium high-rise apartment where you don't have to share a common wall with your neighbor. Abhee Pride boasts only 104 limited units, ensuring exclusivity and privacy. You can choose from two options, the 1105 square feet 2 BHK or the 1360 square feet 3 BHK. Let's explore what these apartments have to offer. As you step into the living and dining spaces, you'll immediately feel a sense of warmth and elegance. The master bedroom features laminated wooden flooring, providing a luxurious touch. The second bedroom is designed to fulfill all your needs, and that's also a dedicated kids bedroom. The kitchen is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, complete with a chimney for efficient ventilation. Additionally, each apartment comes with an attached balcony, perfect for enjoying a cup of tea or taking in the city space. Abhee Pride offers a range of amenities for you to enjoy. There's a multi-purpose party hall, a clubhouse for social gatherings, an indoor gym and an outdoor gym for fitness enthusiasts. You can take a refreshing dip in the swimming pool or let your kids have a great time at the dedicated play area. For those who love indoor games, there's a variety of options to choose from, and there's even a multi-purpose game court available. And for the eco-conscious, the apartment complex features EV vehicle charging stations. With 70% open area, Abhee Pride provides ample space for you to relax. Don't delay in booking your dream home at Abhee Pride. It's an opportunity you don't want to miss. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Abhee Pride. If you're considering booking a home in this magnificent residential heaven, feel free to contact us directly. Remember, we charge zero brokerage fees and offers a free services. Stay connected with the Digital and family, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.